Scientists spent years studying thousands of female cats. And what they found changes everything. She can read emotions, fake affection, and even rewire her own brain to survive. Experts now reveal 25 shocking facts about female cats that no one knows. And if you're a female cat owner, you need to know at least 10 of them. Let's dive in. Number 1. The life expectancy advantage. Female cats won the genetic lottery. They live 1 to 2 years longer than males on average. But here's what makes this truly fascinating. It's not just about being female. It's about biology's blueprint. Female cats carry 2 X chromosomes while males carry only 1. That extra X chromosome, it's backup protection against genetic diseases. If one X has a defective gene, the other compensates. Males don't have this safety net. Indoor female cats can live 17 to 20 years easily. The longevity advantage combines chromosomes, hormones, and behavior. Female cats take fewer risks, avoid fights, and their bodies repair damage more efficiently. Nature designed them to survive longer, and statistics prove it works. Number 2. Female cats recognize voices better. Female cats distinguish between different human voices better than males, and neuroscience explains why. Researchers played recordings of owners and strangers calling cats names. Females identified their owner's voice 75% faster than males. Why? Females evolved maternal instincts, requiring them to distinguish individual kitten calls from dozens of others. That same neural wiring translates to recognizing human voices. They process vocal tones, inflections, and emotional content males often miss. Your female cat knows exactly who's calling her. She recognizes your voice from another room instantly. When she ignores you, she heard you perfectly and made a conscious choice. She's not deaf. She's selectively responding based on vocal recognition. Number 3. The spaying miracle. One surgery transforms your female cat's entire life trajectory. Spaying isn't just preventing kittens, it's eliminating deadly diseases. Spayed females have 0 risk of ovarian and uterine cancer forever. But the real miracle goes deeper. Spaying before the first heat cycle reduces breast cancer risk by 90%. Breast cancer kills cats as aggressively as it kills humans. Every heat cycle increases cancer probability exponentially. Unspayed females also face pyometra, a uterine infection that kills within days if untreated. The surgery doesn't just prevent reproduction, it prevents death sentences hiding in reproductive organs. Spaying adds years to her life and saves you from devastating emergency surgeries. Number 4. Female cats are selectively social. Female cats choose their friends carefully, creating quality relationships over quantity. Scientists studying feral colonies discovered females form tight-knit social groups with related females, mothers, daughters, sisters. They share nursing duties, groom each other constantly, and defend communal territories together. But here's the fascinating part. They aggressively exclude unrelated females. It's not about being social, it's about being strategic. Domesticated females show this selectivity even stronger. A female cat either loves another cat completely or tolerates them barely. There's no middle ground. She decides within minutes whether another animal becomes family or remains an outsider forever. Her social bonds are fewer but infinitely deeper than male friendships. Number 5. The kitten's survival instinct. This fact shows nature's darkest maternal calculation. Female cats sometimes abandon or kill their weakest kittens. It sounds heartless until you understand the brutal logic. In the wild, mothers calculate survival odds constantly. If resources are scarce, feeding 6 kittens means all 6 might die. Abandon the 2 weakest, and 4 strong kittens survive. The math is merciless but effective. Mother cats also kill kittens with severe defects incompatible with survival, preventing prolonged suffering. They detect genetic problems through scent and behavior immediately. Domestic cats rarely do this with abundant food and safety, but the instinct remains buried in their programming. Nature forces mothers to make impossible choices, prioritizing survival over sentiment. Number 6. The healing purr. Frequency. Female cats purr at frequencies proven to heal bones and reduce pain, and they use it strategically. Purring vibrates between 25 and 50 Hz, the exact frequency range that accelerates bone density, heals fractures, and reduces inflammation. Scientists tested this on human patients with remarkable results. But here's the female advantage. They purr more frequently and for longer durations than males. Why? Self-healing during and after pregnancy. Carrying and birthing kittens strains their bodies enormously. Purring becomes physical therapy they administer to themselves constantly. That purring on your lap isn't just happiness, it's her activating biological healing mechanisms. She's literally vibrating herself healthy and healing you accidentally in the process. Number 7. Female cats have superior emotional memory. Female cats remember people and experiences emotionally, not just spatially. Scientists tested cats by introducing strangers who either treated them kindly or ignored them. Females remembered specific people and their behaviors months later, adjusting their responses accordingly. Males remembered locations. Females remembered feelings. Why? Maternal instincts again. Females must remember which cats helped during kitten rearing and which posed threats. That emotional database transfers to humans perfectly. She's building an emotional map of every interaction, storing grudges and gratitude permanently. Number 8. Female cats communicate through subtlety. Female cats rarely meow excessively because they communicate through silence. Wild females perfected wordless communication to avoid attracting predators near dens with kittens. They use micro-expressions, tail positions, ear angles, and eye contact, conveying complete sentences without sound. Studies recording household cat vocalizations found females meow 60% less than males for the same needs. They didn't need to learn manipulation through noise because their body language already works. Every slow blink is, "I trust you." Every tail curve is a question. Every ear twitch is commentary. Your female cat speaks constantly. You're just not fluent in her silent language. She considers excessive meowing beneath her sophistication. Number 9. Why queen cats? Ever wondered why people call female cats queens? The answer reveals how highly cats were valued historically. The term emerged from catteries and breeding programs in the 1800s. Female cats producing kittens were royalty generating valuable offspring. Breeders called them queens to denote their importance and status. The name reflected reality. One queen controls the entire breeding program's success. Males were expendable, females were irreplaceable. The term spread from breeders to general population because it felt appropriate. Female cats carry themselves with regal dignity naturally. They don't just occupy space, they rule it. 200 years later, the name fits perfectly because female cats truly are the royalty of the household. Number 10. The calico mystery. 99.9% of calico cats are female. Only 0.1% are male. Why did nature create this nearly impossible exclusivity? Pure chromosomal mathematics. Calico coloring requires two X chromosomes carrying different color genes simultaneously. Females have two X chromosomes naturally. Males have one X and one Y. The only male calicos are genetic anomalies with XXY chromosomes, a condition so rare it's practically mythical. Female cats own the calico pattern almost exclusively through biological design. Finding a male calico is like finding a diamond in your backyard. Scientifically possible? Technically. Realistically probable? Absolutely not. Biology made calico a girls-only club. Number 11, the heat cycle, nightmare. That bizarre behavior every few weeks. That's your female cat in heat, and it's biological torture. Unspayed females cycle every 2 to 3 weeks during breeding season. Each cycle lasts 4 to 7 days of absolute chaos. She rolls on floors constantly, raises her rear end, makes haunting howling sounds at all hours, and becomes desperately affectionate. It's not cute, it's hormonal crisis. Her body floods with reproductive hormones demanding she find a mate immediately. She can't control it or stop it. The behavior seems crazy because it is. Biological programming overriding rational thought completely. Females experience this nightmare repeatedly until spayed. It's not attention-seeking, it's nature hijacking her brain with chemical warfare. Number 12. The social hunters. Female cats hunt differently than males, and it's fascinating. While males hunt alone with patient stalking, females invented cooperative hunting. Scientists studying feral colonies watched females coordinate attacks on larger prey. They position themselves strategically, communicate through tail signals, and strike simultaneously. Why? Females must feed kittens quickly and return to the den. Solo hunting wastes time. Cooperative hunting increases success rates to 41%, 9% higher than solitary male hunters. Domesticated females retain this social hunting style. Multiple female cats in one house naturally develop hunting partnerships. They're not competing, they're collaborating. Females prove teamwork, beats lone wolf tactics. Number 13. The mother's influence. Here's the scientific twist. Mother cats influence kitten personalities more than fathers through epigenetics. Stressed mothers produce stressed kittens through hormonal programming during pregnancy. Calm, confident mothers produce fearless kittens, but it goes beyond genetics. Mothers teach coping mechanisms through behavior modeling. Kittens watch how mothers react to threats, strangers, and new situations, then copy those responses perfectly. The father provides genetic code, but the mother writes the emotional operating system through 9 weeks of gestation plus 8 weeks of nursing. You can predict how kittens will handle stress by observing their mother's temperament. Mothers shape personalities through both biology and education. Number 14. The territorial subtlety. Female cats mark territory more cleverly than males, and you never notice it. While males spray urine, obviously, females use covert chemical warfare. They rub their faces, bodies, and tails across surfaces constantly, depositing pheromones from scent glands invisible to humans. Each rub claims ownership silently. But here's what makes females brilliant. They mark strategically. They target doorways, corners, and transition points where cats naturally travel. Males mark randomly and aggressively. Females mark intentionally and effectively. Your furniture, your bed, your favorite chair. All marked precisely. You think she's being affectionate, rubbing against you. She's actually declaring you as property to any other cat who might challenge her claim. Number 15. The whisker sensitivity. Female cats have more sensitive whiskers than males, giving them superior sensory processing. While male whiskers are longer, female whiskers contain higher nerve density, transmitting more detailed information. Each whisker connects to the sensory cortex through dedicated neural pathways. Females process texture, temperature, and air movement with greater precision. Why? Kittens. Mothers use whisker sensitivity to detect kitten body temperature, breathing patterns, and distress signals in complete darkness. That hypersensitivity never turns off. Your female cat navigating furniture in the dark isn't just avoiding obstacles, she's reading the environment like Braille. Those whiskers are sensory supercomputers, analyzing everything constantly. Number 16. The hunting efficiency. Female cats are more efficient hunters than males, and statistics prove it. Females spend 30% less time hunting, but maintain similar success rates because they hunt smarter, not harder. They target smaller, easier prey requiring less energy expenditure. They hunt during peak prey activity times instead of waiting endlessly. They perfect techniques faster through observational learning. Studies tracking feral cats revealed females make more kills per hour than males, despite shorter hunting sessions. Why? Energy conservation for nursing. Every calorie matters when feeding kittens. Domesticated females retain this efficiency mindset. Watch your female cat hunt toys. She calculates optimal energy expenditure before every move. Efficiency isn't laziness, it's evolutionary intelligence. Number 17. The right-handed queens. Watch your female cat's paw right now. Notice which one she uses first. There's a 50% chance she's right-handed. Yes, female cats have dominant paws just like humans, but here's the shocking twist. While male cats are left-handed rebels, females are the opposite. Scientists tested hundreds of cats grabbing food, climbing stairs, batting toys. The results revealed something stunning. 50% of females used right paws consistently, only 21% preferred left, and 29% showed no preference at all. Females follow biological patterns closer to humans. They're the right-handed rulers of the cat world. Your female cat isn't just graceful, she's wired completely differently than males. Number 18. Female cats have superior peripheral vision. Female cats see wider than males, and it's a survival superpower. Their peripheral vision spans 280 degrees compared to males' narrower focus. Why did evolution favor this? Motherhood. Females need to watch multiple kittens simultaneously while detecting threats from all directions. They can't afford tunnel vision when protecting offspring. Their retinas contain more cone cells distributed across wider angles, processing movement in their peripheral range instantly. Your female cat lying on the couch sees everything happening behind her without turning her head. That toy you're holding to her side? She saw it 3 seconds before you thought she noticed. Wide-angle vision makes her the household surveillance system. Number 19. The phantom pregnancy. Female cats can experience false pregnancies without ever mating. Her body believes she's pregnant when she's not. Hormones flood her system, her nipples enlarge. She nests obsessively, and she even produces milk. Scientists call it pseudo-pregnancy, and it happens to 20% of unspayed females. Why does her body betray her this way? Hormonal miscommunication. Her ovaries release eggs spontaneously, triggering pregnancy hormones without fertilization. The phantom pregnancy lasts 35 to 40 days, complete with all physical and behavioral changes. She'll protect imaginary kittens, refuse to leave her nest, and experience genuine maternal distress. It's not mental illness, it's biological confusion. Her body prepared for motherhood that never arrives. Number 20. The pain tolerance secret. Female cats tolerate pain better than males, and evolution designed it intentionally. Scientists testing pain responses found females require 30% higher pain stimulus before reacting compared to males. Why this superpower? Childbirth. Giving birth to 5 kittens without medical intervention requires extraordinary pain tolerance. Nature equipped females with higher pain thresholds and faster pain recovery. Their nervous systems process pain signals differently, releasing endorphins more efficiently. This advantage extends beyond reproduction. Females recover from injuries faster, tolerate medical procedures better, and mask pain symptoms longer. That's dangerous for owners because she'll hide serious illness until it's critical. Your stoic female cat isn't being tough. She's biologically programmed to endure suffering silently. Number 21. The triple father litter. One litter of kittens can have 3 different fathers simultaneously. Yes, you read that correctly. Female cats experience superfecundation, the ability to fertilize eggs from multiple males during one heat cycle. She mates with male number 1 on Monday. His sperm waits. Male number 2 on Tuesday. His sperm joins the party. Male number 3 on Wednesday. Now 3 different sperm populations compete for eggs. Each egg can be fertilized by different sperm from different males. The result? Kittens born simultaneously with completely different fathers, different genetics, different appearances. DNA testing proves it happens regularly. 1 litter, 1 mother, multiple fathers. Nature's paternity test? Nightmare. Number 22. The temperature control superpower. Female cats regulate body temperature better than males, especially during pregnancy. Their metabolism adjusts dynamically to environmental changes within minutes. Scientists monitoring pregnant females discovered they maintain stable core temperature despite external fluctuations that would stress males significantly. Why? Growing kittens inside require consistent warmth. Temperature variations could damage fetal development. Females evolved superior thermoregulation to protect offspring. Even non-pregnant females maintain this advantage. They tolerate heat waves and cold snaps better than males. Their bodies burn calories more efficiently for warming and cool, down faster through strategic blood flow. Your female cat sleeping in the sun for hours isn't overheating. She's perfectly temperature controlled. Number 23. The kitten gender control. Female cats influence the gender ratio of their litters based on environmental conditions. Scientists studying feral colonies discovered well-fed, safe females produce more female kittens. Stressed, malnourished females produce more males. Why? Resource allocation strategy. Daughters stay near, mothers forming support networks. Sons leave seeking distant territories. In harsh conditions, producing sons who will leave makes survival sense. In abundant conditions, producing daughters who will stay and help makes sense. Researchers found 70-30 gender ratios shifting based purely on the mother's physical condition during conception. She's not consciously choosing. Her body is making strategic decisions at the cellular level before pregnancy even begins. Number 24. The jealousy response. Female cats experience genuine jealousy, and research proves it's real emotion, not just territorial behavior. Scientists tested cats by having owners show affection to stuffed animals, other cats, and books. Females showed significantly stronger jealousy responses than males, pushing between owner and rival, vocalizing distress, and physically blocking interaction. Brain scans revealed activity in emotional centers identical to human jealousy patterns. This isn't instinct, it's complex emotional processing. Your female cat watching you pet another animal isn't confused about territory. She's experiencing genuine emotional distress about divided attention. She formed an exclusive bond with you, and she expects reciprocity. Betrayal hurts her emotionally, not just territorially. Number 25. The 9 Lives Myth Origin. The 9 Lives myth specifically originated from female cats' extraordinary survival abilities. Ancient cultures watched female cats survive falls, injuries, and near-death situations that killed males. Why? Multiple biological advantages compound into seeming immortality. Better pain tolerance means she keeps functioning while injured. Superior flexibility means she twists mid-fall, avoiding fatal impacts. Enhanced healing from purr frequencies means she recovers from injuries faster. Maternal drive means she fights harder to survive for offspring. Ancient Egyptians documented female cats surviving impossible situations repeatedly, attributing mystical properties to explain natural superiority. The myth wasn't wrong. It was observation without scientific explanation. Female cats don't have 9 lives. They're just exceptionally harder to kill. Scientists studied 10,000 female cats and discovered something extraordinary. They're not what we think. 30 revelations that sound impossible but are proven facts. Your female cat has hidden powers you've never noticed, secret abilities, ancient instincts, and one fact proves she's evolution's perfect design. This changes everything. Don't skip a single fact. If you love your female cat, smash that like button right now. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another mind-blowing cat fact. Drop a comment telling us your female cat's name.